Just kidding. This isn't another spoof of Rebecca Black's hit Jingle Friday, available now on iTunes. This is Hale Hall, and I'm Austin Agee. First floor RA. Hale is one of the oldest dorms here on campus, meaning it has seen its fair share of awesome. Which leads me to the point of this here shindig, something that we like to call do-do-do-do. The 14 C's and the 1 P of coolsomeness. Well, hello there, female student. Something you should know about Hale this year is that we are a co-ed facility, meaning we have ladies on the second floor. This is the first floor, so get on out of here. Let's move on now, shall we? In case you haven't noticed, something else unique about Hale Hall is that we have carpets, and we're actually one of the only dorms on campus that can make that claim. Also unique about Hale Hall, we have closets. That leads me to my second point. With our closets and our carpets, we're just comfortable.
Time to take the hallway.
Oh. All right, let's do this. For a second there, I was afraid we weren't going to make it. But, you want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Check this out. Hey, kids. What y'all up to tonight?
Just chilling.
And that's something cool about Hale. We're a community. We're a community of chillin' children on cozy couches. There's something very cool about Hale Hall, and that is that we are the only dorm here on campus that has a kitchen. And in this kitchen, you can make crazy cuisines, like cookies.
Austin. How many times do I have to tell you that kitchen is spelled with a K?
Oh, that was close. Let's get out of here. There are quite a few amazing things about Hale Hall, but perhaps one of the best is our cool programs. Whether it's the relationship panel or the traditional Hale Hall porch jam, there's always something to do and quite a bit of fun to be experienced. So hopefully we'll see you all next year at the best dorm in the world,